So let's say you want to learn how to spin a staff. You're looking online and you're looking at all these different bow staves or fire staves or contact staves and you're not sure where to start. Well, the good news is I say don't start online yet. Look for something around your house first, because the most important thing I think right now, if you haven't spun a staff before, is that you give it a chance by just making a practice staff. I don't have a practice staff on me, but I can tell you how to make one. So I'm just going to use this stick right now, which is uncompleted, but if you go to Menards or you go to your local hardware store, you can get a 4-foot dowel, like so, right? Here, let me grab this really quick. A 4-foot dowel is usually what I recommend. I'm about 6 foot tall. Again, this is for the Floetrix style though, because some people use 5-foot staves, some people use 3.5-foot staves. So with single staff though, I like 4 feet because I can spin it around my shoulders and around my hips. For some people, if you have it longer, you won't be able to do it spinning it by your hips because it'll hit the ground. I like to have both dimensions covered, so I tend to use one that's just long enough. If you need to measure it, you can measure it in that way. If you break a staff in half, making sure that that half, if you rotated it at your hip, would not hit the ground. Like I said though, if you're not sure, just go to like a hardware store and 4 feet is a good one. The next thing you do, of course, is another one of these balls. Just like before, kind of like with poi. You take one of these balls and you also have a screw, which I don't have, so I'm holding up air right now. Now I could go get one, but I figured I would just explain it to you right now. So all you need, 4-foot staff, 2 tennis balls, and a screw, 2 screws. It's very simple. You take the tennis ball and you cut a slit straight through the side, right there. Very straight line, okay? You cut a slit through it. You can use scissors, although it takes some time. I actually used a saw when I did mine, but if you don't have one, just take a scissors, cut it down the line, and then all you're gonna do is you're gonna push on the side so it opens up the hole you just made, and you're gonna push this in so the ball will be stuck at the end. Now all you have to do, we'll say that the ball is all the way in here now, you just take a screw, you put it on the top right here, and you screw this in to the wood on here. So again, first, cut a slit. Push the hole into here so it sinks into the staff, boom, like that. And then take a screw and screw the top in to where it's stuck. What this will do is this will give you a very light, short, fast staff that you can spin, but it also has the weighted ends because the style of staff that we like to spin, you can actually do a lot more when you have a little bit of weight on the ends. Now, of course, if you don't have the time for that, you can always just grab a broomstick and unscrew it, pull it out, and just spin it like that too. There's so many different things. Like, for instance, this stick right here is something I just built on the fly because I was at the studio and I forgot a stick. So I had a broken bamboo sword that I just taped together on this side. This will allow me to do different tricks than I can with the regular staff because it's very lightweight, but I can't do a lot of balancing motions. The heavier your staff is, the more you can kind of roll it around your arms and legs. The lighter it is, the faster you can go and the more you can redirect it. So kind of use that as a guide. If you're not sure though, I would highly recommend that staff over all the others if you wanted to make one. So, because it's very simple. Dowel, I'm just totally forgetting. Dowel, tennis ball, and screws. 2 tennis balls, 2 screws, and put them all together. And then go and find tennis grip, or you can just use whatever grip works best. So hopefully that helps. If you want to level it up after that, I'm going to put tons of staffs in the Floetrix store too. So enjoy.